to draw Santa. Start by drawing a bit of a curve like that, and then we'll just go up a little bit at the sides and then another curve to join it, and that's the kind of fur trim around the top of his head, so we can kind of draw little eyebrows in there. And then let's draw his nose like that, so we know where we are. And then we can draw his moustache coming around that way and put little eyes in there. And then his face will come down just inside the edges of his hat, furry bit there. And then we'll bring his beard down there. We can then draw a little ho-ho-ho mouth, and what we're going to do is draw a little kind of bird shape in there, which that's his kind of tongue sticking out there, and then that's his bottom lip, and maybe a couple of bits like that to make it look like a beard. And then here we'll draw a curl coming around there, and we want a little line going up there, a line going there, and another one coming down there, and then we can have the pom-pom on the end of his hat like that. Now Santa has always got his arms wide open saying welcome, ho ho ho. So we'll come down like that to here, and then he's got a great big fat tummy, hasn't he, like that. And then we're going to draw a fur bit there. Don't draw right up to the edge. So here we're going to draw his belt. So that's like a little box inside another box. And then we can draw his great big black belt like that. And while I'm shading this in, you can click the like and subscribe button because it helps me in this channel an awful lot, and it also means you can always find me again for lots more drawings on Draw Stuff Real Easy. There we go. So we want to have another line coming down there, so that's a fur bit there, and then that's coming up there, so that's a kind of fur down the middle of his coat like that. And he has little fur bits on the ends of his sleeves, so those are the cuffs, aren't they? And then we want to have his legs coming down like that, and again they're going to have kind of, they're like little boxes, aren't they, which are the fur trim to his boots. And boots and shoes are really tricky, but I'm going to try and make that easy for you. Just think of it as a sock, okay? So it comes down and there's the toe, and then it comes back like that again. So it's coming down to the heel, out there to the toe, and up again. And then we can put a little shiny bit there and a shiny bit there. And I'll quickly shade this in. And then all we need to do is to draw his gloves. So we're going to draw the thumb. They're not gloves, they're mittens. Draw the thumb like that. It's like a hook or a letter N or a C up on its side, or a U upside down. And then we'll do sort of big kind of round shapes like that. And that's how you draw Santa. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Have a very happy Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.